How to create and use modules. First, we'll see how to create a module. What are modules? Modules refer to a file containing Python statements and functions and definitions. It is similar to that of a code library. So whatever specific functions you want to execute, you can create a library, you can create a module for it and use it in your codes. In this way you can reuse your common functions across different codes. Now, to create a module, it is very easy. It is very similar to writing a simple code in Python. So now to create a module, we will first go to idle and we will we'll create a function first, def add, and we write a comma b. So take two arguments. The function add takes two arguments, a and b, and it will return a plus b. We'll save this file as operations.py. Now we move on to making the main function. We have to make the main function in this, and we will write def main, and we will take the first number, and then we'll take b as the second number, and we're going to call the function add. And then we print the value of the addition. If the value of name is equal to main, that time we will run the main function. Now you can run this code and see that it works like a simple code. So we'll enter 7 and 9, and they get the value 16. So this is actually a module for addition. And as you can see, we have saved it as a simple .py file. There is no extra work you have to do to make it a module.